Good morning, da boys. Next, I will teach next example sum da. So example 7.10. So 7.10 they given base area of hemisphere solid is they given. Okay, hemisphere. So base area of hemisphere. So here the base area of hemisphere is base area. What is the shape of the base area of hemisphere here? Circle only noda. So I can take base area of hemisphere is I can take into the area of the circle. You want to find total surface area you want to find. Okay, vada. So given what they given base area of hemisphere. Base area of hemisphere they given what they given 1386 meters square they given, right? So here base of the hemisphere is circle. Base of the hemisphere is circle shape. So only I can take base area of the hemisphere I can take by r square, because area of the circle is by r square. We can equal to 1386 meters square. Okay, this one given ada. You want to find the total surface area of hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere. So total surface of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere's formula is 3 pi r square. So here pi r square value they given ra. Okay, so take and substitute here 3 into 1386. So multiply by 3, 18, 25, balance 2, 11, balance 1, 4. So what is the answer? 4158 meter square. This is the total surface area of hemisphere. So given what they given ra, base area of hemisphere. So base area of hemisphere is area of circle ra. So area of circle is pi r square. So that one they given. You want to find the total surface area of hemisphere. So formula 3 pi r square. So I can substitute pi r square value. We can get total surface area answer. Clear? Okay, next I will go for the next example sum 7.11. Okay, so what they given? The internal and external radius of hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere. So internal and external. Hollow hemisphere means inside one hemisphere also. So two hemisphere, right? So this is internal and this one is outternal, right? So here they given internal and external. Internal and external radius of the hollow hemisphere is 3 meter and 5 meter. So I can take internal radius small r is equal to 3 meter and external radius I will take 5. Capital R is equal to 5 meter. Then you want to find the CSA and TS of a hollow hemisphere you want to find. Okay, CSA and TS of a hollow hemisphere. So here they given small inner radius small r is equal to 3 and capital R is equal to 5. Okay, given. Okay, then next you want to find CS of a hollow hemisphere and TS of a hollow hemisphere you want to find. Okay, so CS of a hollow hemisphere formula 2 pi into capital R square plus small r square. Formula CS of a hollow hemisphere 2 pi into capital R square plus small r square. So substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R 5 square plus 3 square. So we can get 2 into 22 by 7, 25 plus 9. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 34. We can get answer is 213.71 meter square. Right? This is the CS of a hollow hemisphere. And the next you want to find the TS of a hollow hemisphere. TS of a hollow hemisphere formula pi into 3 capital R square plus small r square. This is the TS of a hollow hemisphere formula pi into 3 capital R square plus small r square. So substitute 22 by 7, 3 into capital R and 5 square and small r is 3 square. So we can get 22 by 7, 3 into 25 plus 9. So 75. So we can get 22 by 7, 75 plus 9. We can get 22 by 7 into 84. Then we can cancel 1 7 is 7, 12 sevens are 84. We can get answer 264 meter square. So this is the total surface area of a hollow hemisphere. Formula we can substitute and find the okay. And then next I will go for next example sum. Example 7.12 I will teach afterwards. Now I will go for example 7.13. Okay. So 7.13 what they given? The slant height of frustum. The slant height of frustum they given. So slant height means we can take L. Slant height L is equal to how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Okay, vada? That is frustum. So this is the frustum, right? Here the slant height L is equal to what they given? 5 centimeter. And the radii of 2 ends. The radii of 2 ends 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So small radius I can take r is equal to 1 centimeter, and this is the biggest radius I can take outer radius capital R is equal to 4 centimeter, and then slant height is L is equal to 5 centimeter. So small r is equal to 1 centimeter and capital R is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, all one they given. You want to find the CS of a frustum. So CS of a frustum. So CS of a frustum formula is equal to pi L into capital R plus small r. So CS of a frustum formula pi L into capital R plus small r. So take and substitute. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. L is equal to 5. Capital R is equal to 1 and small r is equal to, capital R is equal to 4 and small r is equal to 1. Okay, then we can get 22 by 7 into 5 into 5. Then next answer, we can multiply everything. 550 by 7. We can cancel 7. We can get 78.57 centimeter square. This is the CS of a frustum. Okay, thank you, guys.